Congratulations, you've successfully built an e-commerce store and gotten traffic to your site. There's only one problem. Sales are lagging, but why? While there is no single answer to the question, why am I not getting sales on my website? Today, I want to discuss 7 reasons why your store sales may be lagging and what you can do to increase your sales. Before we dive in though, be sure to click the subscribe button so you don't miss other helpful videos just like this one. Okay, the first reason your e-commerce stores are lagging may be because of low quality images. Blurry, pixelated images are a bad way to make a first impression and make an online store look untrustworthy. Many customers will notice this and they'll leave. To address this issue, always use high quality, original images both for your general website design and your product pages. Now, don't worry about slowing your store down. You can always use an optimization tool like TinyImg, link in the description, to compress your images without compromising the quality. You should also provide images that give your visitors a good idea of the quality and usefulness of your products. Provide images of the product in use and publish close-up shots and features you want to highlight. The second reason may be poor website design. Does your online store look attractive and professional? Is it easy to use? If you randomly came across your website, would you buy from it? These are important questions you need to ask yourself as you objectively evaluate your e-commerce store. To tackle the problem of bad web design, use a highly rated online store theme from your e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. This will enable you to have a sales-optimized e-commerce store without having to design one from scratch. And even when using a store template, you can customize the theme with your own images and make minor tweaks to the layout. The third reason your store sales may be lagging is zero trust factors. About 17% of shoppers leave products in their carts because they don't think the store is trustworthy. That's why successful websites often have trust badges, which help address concerns about legitimacy and security. Here are some trust badges to consider for your online store. Secure Checkout Badge. This confirms that you have measures in place to protect shoppers' identity and financial information. Money Back Guarantee Badge. We all love this one. This eliminates the perceived risks of shopping online, such as being stuck with products you're not happy with. Accepted Payment Methods. The logos of major financial companies like Visa and MasterCard are so recognizable that they instantly boost the perceived trustworthiness of your site. Free returns and shipping. Cost-free shipping and returns are always an advantage for shoppers, so use a badge to quickly let them know if there's something you offer. The fourth reason may be hard to reach customer service. Customer service matters. Some shoppers need more assistance before they decide to buy, and for others, the availability of customer service can influence consumers' perception of trust in your brand. More and more consumers are preferring live chat, so consider adding it to your website. With the average live chat wait time around 10 seconds, it can be a preferred option over long call wait times and delayed email responses. Reason number 5 is generic product descriptions. Poorly written product descriptions often lead to low sales. Take a look at the content of your store and check the common product description mistakes such as grammar, spelling, and syntax errors, lack of clear benefits for the customer, unemotional and unrelatable copy, and absence of appealing sensory words. To address these issues, write product descriptions that accurately describe the products you're selling. Highlight benefits and special features, and use storytelling techniques to evoke emotions. Most importantly, make sure you use sensory words to convey how the products feel, look, smell, or sound. Reason number 6 is a poorly optimized checkout. It's possible that your e-commerce site is not selling because your checkout process isn't optimized for sales. Here are some potential problems you need to address. First, lack of trust factors. A professional-looking design, well-written content, and the presence of payment security badges help shoppers trust your e-commerce store. Second is inconsistent design. If your checkout page looks different from the rest of your website, shoppers may feel insecure about providing personal and financial information. Third, no guest checkout. This is the worst. Having to create an account before buying anything is one of the top reasons for cart abandonment. Avoid it by letting shoppers complete their purchase without having to register. One of the best ways to ensure an optimal checkout process is to have several people test it and evaluate it for you. Then, ask them to describe their experience. Was it easy to buy? Did you experience any issues or crashes? Did you have any concerns while going through the process? Consider their comments and determine how you can improve your checkout process to maximize sales. The final reason is unclear or unfair return policies. For e-commerce stores, returns are inevitable. That's why return policies can be essential for getting shoppers to buy. Studies show that 92% of shoppers will buy again if returns are easy. I'm one of those. 79% want free shipping for returns, and 67% view return policies before checking out. I'm also one of those. Make sure your policies give your shoppers confidence that they're buying from you risk-free. And most importantly, check your competitors' return policies to see how yours compare, or even if it beats it. And be sure to promote these policies as value adds for shoppers, especially in your email marketing campaigns. Today, I covered 7 reasons your e-commerce store sales may be lagging. These include low quality images, poor website design, zero trust factors, hard to reach customer service, generic product descriptions, poorly optimized checkout, and unclear or unfair return policies. Once you've addressed these potential trouble spots and optimized your website, the next step is to generate as much targeted traffic as possible and nurture your customers to ensure long-term profitability and sustainable growth. 73% of consumers prefer email for branded marketing communications, so be sure to grow your email marketing database and use email marketing campaigns to generate sales, especially automated emails. Head to the video description, sign up for a free Omnisend account, and join the 70,000 other e-commerce brands that trust Omnisend to help them grow. Happy selling!